Hi, everybody. I'm 3 News Now. Chief Meteorologist Mark Stitz. As we've gotten to late afternoon, already starting to see some hit and miss pockets of snow. But as we go more into Saturday night, by 8, 9 o'clock, that snow becoming much more widespread and consistent, especially for areas along and south of I-80. Then as we go overnight, some of that snow even reaches our most northern areas up towards even Denison. But you guys will see a lot smaller totals compared to other areas. So overnight, anyone could be seeing that snow at times. And then as we go into Sunday morning, by the time a lot of us wake up, that snow really starts to shrink farther south, at least the heavier snow. And at that point, Omaha northward, we could be done with the snow for the rest of the day. As we go towards that lunch hour, definitely Omaha likely done with the snow. But notice heavy snow, especially in those darker blue areas of Futurecast. That snow continues farther south. And it will continue to slowly push farther and farther south out of our area as we go through Sunday afternoon. But it could take until the evening for the snow to officially push out of areas like far southeast Nebraska and northwest Missouri. Behind this, coming in much colder weather, here's your Monday morning commute. We are dry, but we are looking at temperatures in the low single digits. Now, for some of us, snow totals will be significant by Sunday afternoon. Again, where the snow ends earlier, Omaha northward, totals will be smaller. Big reason why: drier air is blowing in, and that's going to cut away a lot of our snow. Exactly how much is very questionable. And as you can see, the snow totals very tightly packed together, so any small shift in the system north or south could make a big difference. So north of Omaha, anywhere from very little up to an inch. In this light blue area from Columbus, Norfolk, Fremont, Wahoo, pretty much all of Douglas and Sarpy counties, over into areas like Oakland, Council Bluffs, Red Oak, and Atlantic, 1 to 3 inches. And then dark blue areas farther south like York, Lincoln, Plattsmouth, and into parts of western Iowa, 2 to 5 inches. The purple area, Crete, Nebraska City, Shenandoah, Clarinda, 4 to 8 inches. The orange area, including Beatrice, Maryville, 8 to 12 inches. And head farther south to Pawnee over towards Falls City, that area right along the Kansas border could end up with 12 to 18 inches of snow. Now, this will be a light, fluffy snow for the most part, and that wind is also going to pick up overnight and through Sunday, and that is going to cause blowing snow, drifting snow for some areas, especially with these higher totals farther south. And of course, as the snow falls, it will also be blowing around, lowering visibility for drivers as well. So tomorrow, the snow comes to an end for some of us earlier than others, 16 for a high, and it will be windy. Then Monday, we start at 2, 16 for a high. In the morning will be breezy. I think the wind a little bit lighter in the afternoon, and at least we get more sunshine, but a cold stretch ahead. Tuesday, mostly cloudy, 19 degrees for a high. Wednesday, we'll bump it up 1 more to 20 with more sunshine, and then we get a little bit more than that into the weekend. Thursday, 29. Those upper 20s continue on Friday, and Saturday, we'll try to make a run for 30, with eventually by the end of the week, those mornings up into the teens.